Tuesday, December the 5th, and here we have one of the two boards returned by Diversified Technologies, RMA 23087, serial number 117116, and this board has the original configuration. This is basically as a board I've received, and now I'm going to show that we have some control. Although the control is partial, but we can in fact, by dialing the different command and current command and voltage command, we'll be able to regulate or change the output. The setup is like this. We have 240 volts AC coming in. We come in into a phase 6 pulse rectifier. We're not using a 6-phase 12 pulse rectifier. It's essentially the same, and this was just easier to put together. And we're looking at SIG. This is the output of the regulator. This is a roughly 0 to 6 volts. We are looking at the voltage feedback that should vary between 0 to 4 volts, equivalent to the 0 to 10 voltage feedback. This is the current feedback that should also be equivalent to the 0 to 10 voltage feedback going onto the board. And we're looking here at the voltage that we're supplying to the board. This is be the 0 to 10 for the voltage feedback. We have current and voltage command, and we're looking at the DC output rectifier. So we're going to show what happens with the board as is. So let's go ahead and enable. At this point we have, can you verify that SIG is set? The value of SIG, it's the value out of the regulator, and right now we have 1.33 volts DC. We already have 3.24 volts DC on feedback, so here we have an issue and we don't have any current feedback. So here the problem is that, go ahead and start increasing, Tony, and we'll make sure that this does not go over 4.5 the voltage feedback.
Tell me when.
Yeah, 3.25. Go ahead. Okay, there you go, right about there. You're at 4 now. Okay, so we have 9 volts, and this is now at 4. The interesting thing is that we're only getting a little bit of current. So now, so this is what we're talking about. Let's go back from 9.2 down to 0 on the voltage command, and let's take a look at the output waveform, which right now says it's only 56 volts DC. And we can see there some control. And this again will be based on the configuration of the board. So this is the limit control that we have now. On a second video, we're going to show what happens when we change R12 from the current value of 12.4K to a suggested value of half of that, which I think we're using 5.49K. This will be the end of this first video.